Welcome back to the Brent Bruce Daily. Today is August 29th, Monday, August 29th. It is 2:38 p.m. Central Time. Getting back now and seeing where the market is after a very difficult Friday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down over 1,000 points at one point, and the mortgage-backed security market took a beating as well as Jerome Powell came out. He is the chairman of the Federal Reserve Board. He comes out and says that they are willing to cause pain to the consumer if that is what is necessary in order to get inflation under control. So basically they're saying, look, we know that it might hurt, but we're going to pump up the federal funds rate to the point that inflation slows, even if that means it's difficult for consumers to pay for the things that they need to buy. So by choking out or constricting the consumer by raising the cost of debt, that is going to make people spend less, which means there's more product left on the shelf, which brings down inflation. Okay, so you have to have that imagery of understanding what he means by causing pain to the consumer. So today we're down 27 basis points, continuing that terrible trend. We still really haven't seen the mortgage-backed security market get over the August 16th announcement of the Inflation Reduction Act. Again, ever since the Inflation Reduction Act came out, we've seen negative days every day except for really one. Some of these colorings here, I think, are reversed from what they should be. But basically saying that the Inflation Reduction Act is not going to reduce inflation. It is going to increase inflation. It is a spending bill that just had the title of Inflation Reduction Act. Look at it, read it. But the investment community did read it and sees it, and obviously you see what they feel about it. So we are also going to be getting the jobs number that's going to come out here on Friday. This August 5th is the last time we got a jobs number. And what happened was we were anticipating between 250 and 300,000 job creations. We actually had 528,000. So the jobs number was better than expected. If you recall, I was all excited because I thought we were going to get a jobs number that was going to be beneficial to the home loan interest rate world, and that we were going to get back to this number here, which actually had an interest rate of 4.625 on the Brent Bruce Daily, which was wonderful. Unfortunately, the report came out upside down, and we saw us push away from the 100-day moving average and broke through all these floors with the Inflation Reduction Act. And now we're here really where the only floor below us is this Fibonacci level at 99.27, that, all right, 99.281, that unfortunately I think we're going to have to test this week, and hopefully it holds on until the employment number comes out, and hopefully we get an employment number that is beneficial to home loan interest rates. Because where are we as far as our Brent Bruce Daily home loan interest rate today? Let's take a look. We were at 5.375 with a very small credit on Friday, and I had talked about the banks releasing some of their profits that they were holding back, okay? So we have had a rough day on Friday and now a rough day here on Monday, and we are at 5.5% on the Brent Bruce Daily, which again is the very well qualified 30-year fixed conventional home loan. There's the scenario for those people involved in compliance. There's the scenario. So we're going to run this, and we're at 5.5% with about the same credit we had to our 5.375% yesterday. I'm sorry, on Friday. So $364. What if let's see what our cost is now to get to our 4.999, which we like to take a look at. You can see that it's getting even more expensive. We were at about 1.25% to get 1.25 points to get to that 4.999 on Friday. And now we're at 1.349. So that is getting more expensive. Home loan interest rates are going up at this point. So we will have to see how our jobs number comes out and any other information that comes out economically or especially inflation-based over the next coming days. I will talk to you again tomorrow, give you another update. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share as we are getting very close to our 100 subscribers on YouTube. Try to be that 100 subscriber, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.